American Samoa, you are a very special place. Happy Flag Day. Today marks the 125th anniversary of American Samoa becoming a treasured part of the United States of America, and our great American flag has flown over the islands ever since. It's a beautiful flag, and the islands are as beautiful as you can get. The chiefs who first chose to raise the stars and stripes over Samoa gave their descendants the greatest gift of all, the gift of being part of the greatest country in the history of the world. We are truly proud of the contributions that American Samoa makes to our nation. You are a special place, and you've served in our military, enriched our culture, and excelled in athletics, art, and business. I'm proud to be the first president ever to name the American Samoan to my cabinet, a very special, indeed, Samoan, Tulsi Gabbard. Very special woman, very brilliant woman. Your beautiful islands are a beloved part of the United States. Congratulations on this historic milestone, and happy Flag Day, and God bless America.